Hi, hello. 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 Hi. What's up? Diggity. Dog. Should I wear a hat this time? No, wait, hang on. Putting on gloves is not my forte. Like an emo Pokemon trainer. That's how I feel. And this is how you glove. There's no finger here. There's none. Okay. Nailed it. Boom. So the reason why I bought these gloves because I saw them in the store and I was like, hey, Frank Hero has had a pair of gloves like that. Speaking of My Chemical Romance, they did a thing. Yep. I'm not gonna talk about that. There's nothing I want to say. I don't want to say anything. Hello, Jack. No. Oh, so bad. Hey. Speaking of Gerard Way and or My Chemical Romance, he has a pair of shoes that he wears like all the time, and they're the same pair of Converse, right? The white Converse. I'm the same, except with my red Converse. Hey baby, how you doing? I don't know why I did that. So my cat got desexed recently, or neutered, whatever, and he's had to wear this cone of shame, and it has literally been the most hilarious thing in the existence of humanity. Catmanity? Cat. I don't know what I'm saying.
I walk away and leave this place the same today. Some like to sleep, we like to play. Just look at all that pain.
Don't attack me! So, Fallout Bird is a thing now. Like, properly, now that's on the App Store, because who has a Windows phone? Windows phone? Android phone? I died. Frick! Come on, Patrick, it's you and me. You can do this. No. Okay. Ah! His score's 34 though. Yeah. Do these sunglasses make me cool? Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a lamp right there, and this just makes it really dark. Sunglasses make things dark. Who knew? I've got hipster glasses, which just make things blurry because they're not clean. I can show you the world. These make my head look really small because I don't have hair. What am I doing with my life? That's what I want to know. Hang on, I tuned my ukulele. Oh, that's the wrong chord. Wait, that's wrong. No, it's not. Bar chord. Can't do it. Can't, even on a ukulele. That's how small my hands are. Glasses game. Too strong. Wait. Yes! And my head can see too. Isn't that lovely? Frick Flappy Bird, Flappy sunglasses that make horse noises. I had a Thorin and Shield like little figurine thing and I lost him. So was Thorin.
Yes, but not Alex. Yes, Alex.
Never mind, I found him. He's cool. Focus. Focus. Focus! Hey! He came on top of a cup from a cinema. I spent $12 on a really, like, big thing of popcorn that I didn't eat. Just for Thorin. Just for Thorin. This is the cup that we've all seen, probably, if you're following my selfies, which you probably weren't. See, we've got Kelly, and we've got Philly, and we've got Bilbo. I'm a nerd. And he sits on top like this. No, don't. Hang on, I've got this. Yay. There are ants crawling on my lamp. Australia. So, we talked about my cat, we talked about my cat, talked about Fallout Bird. Honestly, whose idea? Whose idea was Fallout Bird? So, Joe, have you heard about this Flappy Bird game? Oh man, that's so cool. We should totally make a game out of that, call it like Fallout Bird. Holy smokes, guys, I don't think that's a good idea. What about the next Youngblood Chronicles? No, I'm sure the kids would be cool with it, you know, Fallout Bird. It's amazing, it's a genius idea. They can wait for the next Youngblood Chronicles. I didn't do an impersonation of Andy because no one could be that adorable. Not even me. Final, get it? Because, yeah. I don't know where this video went, but it went somewhere. So I'm just gonna wrap it up here. Yeah. Bye.